Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to roll a shirt for storage or travel. And these will be easy instructions, so let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. As you can see right here, I have a very simple t-shirt, and this is a short sleeve shirt, but this will work with a long sleeve shirt as well. And you can roll a shirt, okay? And when you roll a shirt, it's gonna be better, in my opinion, for storage and travel, depending on what you're doing. If you're keeping your shirts in a drawer, obviously you can fold them sort of regularly, as I call it, which is like you take them, you fold them, and then you make them almost like a rectangle, okay? That's generally how I fold my shirts. But if you want to store them away, like if you're putting them somewhere where you're storing them and you're not going to be using them for a while, or putting them in a luggage for travel, this is probably your best bet. So here's a regular shirt. Here's what you're going to do to roll the shirt, in my opinion. You can obviously, choose your own way, but this is sort of how I would do it. You're going to take your shirt, you're going to fold it in half. So I'm just going to take it, I'm going to fold it in half like this, okay? I'm folding it in half sort of lengthwise, I guess you'd call it. Basically, I'm holding the shirt. I'll just do that again so you fully understand. I'm holding the shirt upright. This is like how I would wear the shirt. Okay, think about it like that. I'm holding the shirt upright. You can see the tag over there on it. So that's sort of giving you the orientation of where the shirt is, because I know I'm in the van. It's kind of hard to see. But essentially, I'm holding the shirt upright, sort of how I would wear it regularly, okay? And then I'm going to then fold it in half along the tops like this. So I've now folded it in half along the tops. And I'll show you one more time, because I'm going to fold it the other way, actually. Doesn't really make a difference, but I just want to fold it the other way. So I'm holding the shirt upright, okay? The way that I would wear it regularly. That's the orientation of the shirt. It is nice and open. This is basically as open as a shirt can be. I'm holding the tops of it, and I'm going to fold it in half from it being completely open like this. So I'm taking the tops, and I'm folding it in half like that, okay? Now I'm just going to sort of go like this, so it sort of stretches out. Now you'll notice that one side over here is nice and straight, but the other side that has the sleeves is not straight. It's sort of sticking out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the other side and I'm going to fold the sleeves and the side inwards into itself. Basically, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to straighten this side as well. So I'm taking the sleeves over here, and even if you have long sleeves, you can do it with a double fold, but this is short sleeve, so I'm just going to do a single fold like this, and I'm folding the sleeves in to sort of straighten this side out over here, okay? So as you can see now, I folded the sleeves in, both sides are straight, and if you had long sleeves, you would fold the sleeves in like that, and then just sort of fold them again. You could do like a double fold there if you had longer sleeves. Now, as you can see, both sides are nice and straight. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start at the top, and I'm going to roll just into itself. So both sides are nice and straight, and I'm basically just rolling into itself, okay? Just like this. Rolling into itself. Just like that, okay? And what you're going to end up with is, if you did it properly, you're going to end up with a nice, simple, rolled shirt. Now, obviously, because I'm doing this in the van, it's obviously not even. But generally speaking, it would be nice and even. It wouldn't be too big. And you can even fold it again before you roll it, and it would be about half this size. If you fold it in half again before you roll it, it would be about half this size. It would be like more, it would be more in terms of thickness. It would be thicker, but it would be about half this size. So you can use your judgment, but that's the idea. You fold it in half over and over again till it's nice and straight, and then you roll it up. And then what you're left with is this nice rolled up shirt. Really, really easy to do, and it's, like I said, it's great for storage or for travel. And yeah, it's that simple. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial. I got nothing else to say, so we're gonna roll the outro. So without any further ado, here is the outro for this video tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.